3, 2, and up, and fire!
I don't think I hit anything.
Yeah, I didn't either.
Rhpc vs DMI Shotgun Shootout.
What up, everybody? We have Will and Greg. Let's get to shooting.
Woo! Alright, for today's game, we're gonna be throwing clays, and we're gonna toss them, and we're gonna get one of the guns and shoot them. The one that shoots the most wins.
For this game, we have Will and Greg versus Green and Jmo.
Alright, guys, you gotta make sure you always have protection.
That's right. Eyes,
Always.
ears, ears and eye protection.
Yeah.
Jmo,
always good.
Are you sure yours are good, dude?
Yeah, I think so. What's wrong with them?
I don't know, I love them.
Alright.
You just need ear protection.
Oh, ear protection. Alright, we good.
We good now.
Alright, and the game begins. First up, Greg. Pull. Pull. Do 1 point. Will's up. Nice. Nice.
I'm a loser.
Oh, dude.
Look at that. That's a winner.
Nice. In half. I'm up next. And pull. Pull. Alright, Green up next. Pull. Oh, nope. Pull. Nope, 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 nope.
Got it reloaded, folks. Good dude.
Got this, baby. Oh. Oh. Nope, just kidding.
Green! Come on!
2 in a row, baby. Baby. Ow! Oh, wow, let's go.
For this game, the winners are Will and Greg.
All right, guys, playing new game.
4 guys, 6 targets. If we can't get it, then we gotta go home. Yeah,
Gotta go home.
Shoot ourselves.
All right, and Green's first. Greg's on the timer.
Going for the record. What's the record?
We're gonna say a minute. All right, Green first.
Timer ready. Gunner ready.
Ready?
And 3, 2, 1, go.
Nice. And switch.
First,
Go.
safety first. They're coming.
The zombies are coming. Nice. Go. Nice.
I mean, he knocked it down. Yeah!
I got it. Go. You gotta kill him. Yeah. Go.
Oh, try to pull it.
Oh no.
I only need one.
No. Reload.
I only need one. We're gonna die.
Reload.
One more.
American Sniper.
Okay.
Reload. Oh. Greg, get him. And time. What's the time?
How do you stop it? 3 minutes, 46 seconds.
Boom, baby. Someone beat that. 6 targets, 4 dudes. We killed 6 zombies.
Hey.
If there's 80 of them, we're dead.
Yeah,
We're
but there
dead.
was only 6.
Yeah.
Oh, you're right.
We're
We're
good.
alive.
We're alive.
Love
We're
it,
good.
boys.
I feel like a man. I might have grown some testosterone today. Maybe some menstrual cycle.
You started one today.
And I guess that concludes our gun show.
Yeah.
Thanks for joining us, guys.
Thank you to Will and Gregory for helping us out and teaching us how to shoot guns.
Yes.
Safety first. Safety first, kids.
You mean like this?